Oh, we have here our Toyota Fortuner, and in this video we want to explain to you how to replace the cabin air filter in one of these vehicles. So we're going to open the door of the passenger side, and here we're going to open up the glove box. So I've already emptied the glove box before I started recording the video, so I suggest you do the same. And then here on the left side we find here this little piece of plastic that we can pinch together, and then we can remove this little clip here. See, we can just pull that, put that to the side, it should just stay there. And then when we take a look here on the left side, on the right side of the glove box, then we can pinch these together as well. So push these inwards, and that allows us to drop the glove box. So we're going to do this slowly, and then we see here there's just a couple of really simple hinges here where the glove box is hooked into. So you can completely remove the glove box if you want to, or just let it sit here as I do. And then if we take a look behind or inside there, then we find this little box here with this little plastic cover, which we can open up from the left side. Just lift it a little bit and then slide this cover to the left. And so then we can remove the cover, and then we see here already the original, or the already installed cabin air filter. We can pull this out relatively easy. Be careful when you take this out to try to not let any of the dust and debris here fall into the air ducts. So here we have here our new air filter, cabin air filter, and we have to make sure we are inserting this in the right orientation. So that normally there's like a couple of arrows on the side of the new filter. This one for some reason doesn't have that. But we're going to slide this in here, and the airflow should be from the top to the bottom. So if you have arrows, then they should be pointing down. So we're going to slide this in. It should fit really just nicely, fill up the whole space. And then we're going to close up this cover already. So we're going to slide this plastic cover towards the right side, so that it hooks into position, and then we should be able to push it down so that it locks into position. And then at this point we can already close up our glove box. So we're just going to slide it. First make sure that the hinges are all in the right position, then we can just push it upwards, and it should automatically go into the lock position here at the right. Everything should be gray again, and then we have here this little dampener that we can reattach here. So just slide it onto that pin, just like this, and then we're already done. Yeah, so this was already it for this video. I hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.